Want to add music to your WhatsApp status? Here's a super simple trick using Instagram that lets you post a WhatsApp status with your favorite song in the background. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Open Instagram and tap your story in the top left corner. Step 2. Tap the camera and record a quick video, anything you like. Step 3. Once the video is recorded, tap the sticker icon at the top, then choose Music. Step 4. Pick any song you want to use. You can remove the lyrics if you prefer a clean look. Just tap the A icon until the lyrics disappear. Step 5. Tap Done. Then tap the 3 dots at the top right and choose Save. This saves your video with the music to your phone's gallery. Step 6. Upload to WhatsApp. Now open WhatsApp, tap the camera icon next to My Status, and select the video you just saved. That's it! Your status will now play with the music included. And that's how you can easily add music to your WhatsApp status using Instagram. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.